Hey guys, I'm Akshay from bbomb.com, and as Rupesh mentioned in our last video, this is kind of a vintage bbomb week. So after that video on some Android apps, I'm here to show you some cool new Android games you guys should definitely check out in 2020. Trust me when I say that almost every single game in this list is super exciting, and yeah, they're all free, so watch this video till the end. Now then, let's get started. All Men Must Die. Oh sorry, wrong video. So Cookies Must Die is the first game on this list, and it's my personal favorite because it's exciting and addictive. In this game, your mission is simple. Destroy all the cookies, which is also my favorite pastime anyway. Anyway, destroy all the cookies before they kill you and take over the world. The game has really fun mechanics, and you use swipe gestures to control your character, dodge bullets and bombs as you take out enemies using weapons, power-ups or just by hitting them directly. Plus the fast-paced gameplay, amazing animations and the awesome soundtrack really make this game super fun to play. As you play more, you can unlock new weapons and power-ups, and believe me, you will need those for the boss fights, which can be really difficult at times. Overall though, Cookies Must Die is a really great game that you should definitely check out. Now, Grand Mountain Adventure isn't exactly a new game. In fact, it was launched back in early 2019, but the game has amazing visuals and it's quite easy to play. Honestly, I just couldn't resist putting this on the list purely because it looks so good. Basically, you'll be snowboarding in this game, and with easy controls, some amazing animations and artwork, this game looks beautiful. Plus, it's almost like an open world game and you can view the whole map and snowboard to whichever place you want, or if you're lazy like me, just take a trolley ride to a peak and start snowboarding from there. There are a bunch of challenges to complete, including time trials and more, which then unlock more of the map to explore. It's a fun game for sure, and if you're a fan of snowboarding or games that look stunning, you should definitely play this one. Okay, so I love casual golfing games. I think they are really fun, which is something a lot of my friends don't agree with. But whatever, this one is a great casual golf game which pits you against a bunch of random players on the internet. There are two types of games here. One is a typical get the ball in the hole using the least number of shots, and the other is a race mode where you can take as many shots as you like, but you have to be the first one to get the ball into the hole. The game is in early access, so a bunch of its features will be added soon, such as unlocking new clubs with better stats and stuff like that. But even right now, this is a game I really enjoyed playing, and I think you will too, so check it out. Let's face it, don't you just love slow-mo moves in video games? Well, I definitely do, and that's exactly why Johnny Trigger is on this list. It's a super cool game with a very simple concept. Your character, Johnny Trigger, runs automatically and performs cool looking stunts mid-air to aim at enemies. And all you have to do is tap at the right time to make sure the enemy is dead. Every now and then there will be hostages that you have to avoid shooting or you lose the game. And there are other fun things like exploding barrels and gas containers that will let you kill multiple enemies in one shot. You can also unlock new weapons and skins as you progress in the game to make it even more fun. So if you've ever imagined yourself as John Wick or James Bond, go ahead and check this out. While I wouldn't recommend starting a street fight with infinite enemies in real life, it's definitely fun when it happens in a game. Especially when the game is as easy to play as one man is. Don't get me wrong, it may be an easy game to play, it's definitely a difficult one to master. All you have to do is tap on the left or right side of the screen depending on which side enemies are coming from. One wrong tap and you'll be knocked out. Look man, you started this fight because someone made you drop your food. There's no time to back down now. Just kidding, but the point is this is a really fun game and I think you guys will love it. Next up is a game that will test your reflexes and your patience. Rollerball looks very simple, but it's the exact opposite. True story. I saw this game and I thought no one will like such a simple game, but then I played it anyway. So basically, you have to roll this ball from one platform onto another, making sure that it doesn't fall off the platforms using simple gestures. Now, I have been playing this game for 2 days straight and my high score is 3. So yeah, it is very difficult, but somehow it's still addictive. But let me warn you right now, this game is not for people who get easily frustrated, and I would recommend using a huge case on your phone because you will end up throwing your phone out of frustration here. Yeah, but check the game out. Now, Tennis Clash is another amazing game for anyone who loves casual sports games. The game pits you against random players on the internet in a one-on-one tennis match, and well, it's super fun. The controls are easy, but the games are challenging, and there are a huge number of upgrades to enhance your player's skills, and these ensure that the game remains fresh and fun to play. You can choose your own playing style, whether you like playing volleys like me, or whether you like playing aggressively from the end of the court like Rupesh. There are some really nice animations here, and I have spent hours and hours playing this game trying to master it. Well, if you're a sports fan and you're looking for a casual sports game, you will love Tennis Clash. Yeah. I'm all for multiplayer action games and I love cutesy graphics, and Pico Tanks merges the two to create a really nice game. It's a multiplayer game with 3v3 battles in game modes like Team Deathmatch and Capture the Flag. I really like that the control scheme is pretty simple to understand, and as you play for longer, you can unlock better weapons and upgrades as well. You can also add friends and team up with them in a squad for a better experience. Personally, I like playing Team Deathmatch, but unfortunately you can't choose the game mode you're thrown in. I really hope that feature is added soon, but still, if you're into multiplayer action games, you will probably like it. Well, those were some cool new Android games that I think you guys should play. Like I said earlier, all of these games are free and I'll be leaving links to all of them in the description, so go ahead and download them. So which game is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Also give this video a like and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.